Hi children, good afternoon all of you. This is our English class. You are all children of class 1. So as you all know, we will first discuss about our last class. What did we discuss in our last class, children?
Kichu monkey.
Kichu monkey. Did we discuss about Kichu monkey?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, really?
Yes.
No. నువ్వు ఎక్కడో కీచు మంకీ దగ్గరే ఆగిపోయావా పూజిత? Yeah, Lalita, say. What did we discuss in last class?
Doing words, ma'am.
Doing words. No. We discussed about Chinu's grandpa and my friend Shelly. From that we discussed about rhyming words. Chala memory power chala undi ma students ki.
Writing words.
Kada?
Yes, ma'am.
What are rhyming words?
Same ending sound word.
Same ending sound words are rhyming words.
Rhyming word.
Correct. Good, Lalita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tell me one example of a rhyming word.
Same ending sound words.
Example chappu rhyming words ki. Who will tell me an example for rhyming word? Cat, bat. Ala example okati cheppandi edaina.
Fat gnat.
What?
Cat bat.
అది నేను చెప్పిందే ఫ్యాట్ బ్యాట్ క్యాట్ ఇవన్నీ మీరేమైనా కొత్తగా చెప్పండి న్యూ వన్స్ ఎనీ అదర్ థింగ్
Fat sat.
లీవ్ అబౌట్ దట్ ఫ్యాట్ సాట్ దట్ సౌండ్ డిఫరెంట్ సౌండ్ వన్ మోర్ సౌండ్ యూ టేక్
Doll.
టాల్
Yes, ma'am. Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll.
డాల్ కి రైమింగ్ వర్డ్ చెప్పు మరి డాల్
Doll. It's a doll ball.
డాల్ బాల్ కరెక్ట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లాప్ టు లక్ష్మణ్ కరెక్ట్ డాల్ బాల్
Cat shat.
క్యాట్ సాట్ మోర్ ఇంకా
Wall ball. Wall mall.
ball correct good yeah Lalita
And B-A-T bat. C-A-T cat.
ఆల్రెడీ అది చెప్పేశారు
Kit sit.
Kid sit. Okay, good. I'm clapping for all the members who said answers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Mortal. Small.
Small ball. Okay. Okay, Lalita, what is our today's topic? We are going to our next lesson, that is the only elephant in school. We will discuss and we will complete our volume 1. Okay, the only elephant in school. Who is the only elephant in school? Yeah, we will discuss page number 45. Textbook, page number 45. I am reading, see, listen. 46. Chotu is the only elephant in school. He sits in the last bench. Nobody talks to him. He has no friends. He is too big, says the monkey. He has a funny nose, says the tiger. He is too fat, says the parrot. He is not like us, says the zebra. So what happened in these 2 pages? There is an elephant in the school and that elephant name is Chotu. Chotu sits in last bench. Lakshman, where are you? Yeah, page number 46. So Chotu is the only elephant in the school. Ante Chotu okkade elephant anamata school lo. Okay? So he sits in the last bench. Chotu sits in the last bench. Anybody will talk to him? No, no one will talk to Chotu. No one will talk to Chotu. He has no friends. So no one will talk to Chotu. So that's why he has no friends. Okay, children? So Chotu has no friends also. Then what happened in the next picture you see? He's too big. He's too big, says the monkey. What is monkey telling? He's too big. Monkey ఏమంటుంది? Elephant is too big. He's too big. Page number 47. He has a funny nose. He has a funny nose. So elephant ki funny ga undi nose. Who is telling that? Tiger, says the tiger. He has a funny nose, says the tiger. He's too fat. He's too fat. Who is telling that? Parrot, says the parrot. Parrot is telling he's too fat. He's not like us. He's not like us, says the zebra. Elephant is not like us. His nose is different. His ears are different. So elephant is not like us, says the zebra. Who told he is too big? Who will tell me? Who said elephant is too big? Which animal told elephant is too big? ఎవరు చెప్పారు హీస్ టూ బిగ్ అని?
టైగర్.
నో, టైగర్ అలా చెప్పలేదే, టైగర్ వేరే చెప్పింది. హీస్ టూ బిగ్ అని ఎలిఫెంట్ ని ఎవరన్నారు? హూ సెడ్?
మంకీ.
Monkey. Yes, monkey says he's too big. If I to see, he's too big, it said. Good. Next. He's too fat. He's too fat. Who said it? He's too fat.
Parrot.
Very good. Parrot said he's too fat. Elephant is too fat. Good. Who said he's not like us? Who said he's not like us?
Zebra. Ma'am. Parrot.
Wrong.
Zebra.
Zebra. Yes, zebra. Zebra said he's not like us. Who said he has a funny nose?
Parrot. Parrot.
Parrot. Good. Okay, we will see what happened after that. Turn the page, page number 48. Chotu is sad. So all are telling fat, your nose is funny, you are not like us, you are too big. So Chotu felt very sad. So Chotu sits in the last bench alone. So he's sitting in the last bench alone. One day there's a storm. One day there's a storm. Boom, boom, badabash. It's thunder. What happened? It's thunder. It's a big thunder. The teacher sends everyone back home. There is no school today. What happened, children? One day there was a big storm. Storm ante enti tufan. Okay. Storm, పెద్ద గాలి వస్తూ అన్ని ట్రీస్ పడిపోతున్నాయంట. సో there is a thunder also. What is the spelling of thunder? Thunder. Thunder. So there was a storm near the school. So teacher said, all of you go home. There is no school today. So it was school ledu అని చెప్పేసి టీచర్ అందరిని పంపించేసింది ఇంటికి. What happened? See in the next page, page number 49. So all are going back to home. Chotu is walking on the road. So Chotu kuda నడుచుకుంటూ walk చేస్తూ వెళ్ళడం స్టార్ట్ చేశాడు. He can hear the others behind him. They are laughing at his thin tail. Chotu tries not to cry. So అలా వాక్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే ఏమైంది? చోటు వెనుక వీళ్ళందరూ గ్యాంగ్ కనిపిస్తున్నారా? Monkey, tiger, parrot and zebra. These 4 members are teasing. Are teasing to Chotu. ఏమని టీజ్ చేస్తున్నారు? Your tail is very thin. నీ tail చాలా సన్నగా ఉంది అని ఎక్కిరిస్తున్నారు. Chotu started to cry. Chotu ఏం చేశాడు? ఏడవడం స్టార్ట్ చేసేసాడు. What happened after that? Suddenly, Chotu hears a crash. What did Chotu hear? A crash. He turns around, a tree has fallen down, and there are 2 monkeys under it. Chotu runs to them. What happened? Suddenly, Chotuku oka sound vinipinchindi. Chotu hears some sound. So Chotu turns back and sees what happened. What happened? A tree fell down on two monkeys. A tree fell down on two monkeys. So Chotu runs to help them. So ఆ monkeys మీద ట్రీ పడడం చూసి చోటు వెంటనే వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి ఉరికి వెళ్ళాడు. Turn to the next page. He lifts the tree with his trunk. చోటు ట్రంక్ యూస్ చేసి ట్రీని లిఫ్ట్ చేశాడు. How did Chotu lift the tree? How did Chotu lift the tree? How? With the help of the trunk. How did Chotu lift the tree? Who you gonna say?
Trunk.
With the trunk, yes. See in the picture how he is lifting.
T-R-U-N.
Chotu says the monkeys. Chotu smiles. So trunk తోని ట్రీని లిఫ్ట్ చేయగానే అవి రెండు మంకీస్ ఏం చేశాయి, ఎస్కేప్ అయిపోయి హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యి చూడండి ఎలా హగ్ చేసుకున్నాయో. హౌ దే ఆర్ హగ్గింగ్ ద ఎలిఫెంట్. మంచిగా గట్టిగా పట్టేసుకొని హగ్ చేసేసుకొని థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్తున్నాయి విత్ స్మైల్. దే బికేమ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. So now elephant Chotu has how many friends? Two friends. Who are they? Monkeys. The next day the sun is shining. Chotu is sitting in the last bench with a friend on both sides. With friends on both sides. So what happened, children? Next day Chotu went to school. Chotu sat in the last bench. But what happened? This time he is not sitting alone. He is not sitting alone. He is sitting with the friends. Understood? Come to the next page, 52. We have a rhyme. We have a rhyme. What is the rhyme name? All of you unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the rhyme name? Tongue twisters. Repeat.
Tongue twisters.
All of you repeat. Tongue twisters.
Tongue twisters.
నాకు అందరి వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు.
Tongue
Twisters.
twisters.
Tongue twisters. Twisters.
Trunk with twisters.
Tongue twisters. Keep the finger and repeat after me. Keep the finger on the first line, all of you. నేను రిపీట్ చేయండి. నేను రీడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత రిపీట్ చేయండి. ఓకే? Which whales whisper?
Which whales whisper?
Whisper. Which whales whisper?
Which whales whisper?
Lakshman is not reading. Which whales whisper?
Whisper.
White whales whisper.
White whales whisper.
విస్పర్ అంటే ఏంటి? మెల్లగా మాట్లాడటం. ఓకే, చూడండి టూ వేల్స్ మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాయి మెల్లగా, నాకు వినిపించకుండా. యా, నీకు నాకు వినిపిస్తుందా అవేం మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాయో? ఓ, విస్పర్ అంటే మెల్లగా చెవులో చెప్పడం. విస్పర్ అంటే మెల్లగా మాట్లాడటం. Which whales whisper? White whales whisper. Why do white whales whisper? Which white wheel? Which white wheel?
Which white wheel?
The wet white wheel.
Which white wheel?
Which wet
Wet
white wheel?
white wheel.
The wet white. The wet white. The wet white. Lalita, read. The wet white
White
wagon wheel. Wagon wheel. The wet white wagon wheel. Which white wheel? The wet white wheel. Which wet white wheel? The wet white wagon wheel. Wagon wheel. W-A wagon. Wagon wheel. Wagon. Last one. Last one. Beth the moth throws three things with her tin thumbs. Beth the moth throws. Lalita, look into your book. Beth the moth throws three things with her tin thumb. Okay, come to page number 46. First paragraph, read say Pujita. All of you keep the finger on the book also. Page number 46, first paragraph, read say. Are you reading? Read say. Chotu
is the old elephant in school. SITH.
sits.
Kid in the
Sits
LA
in the
last bench. Toto is only NOVD. He bought else to HIM him seats in the husband had no friends. Has no friends.
okay. Next page, 47 page, read Lakshman. Good, Pujita, good. Pujita,
He to
Pujita, enough. Okay, children. Bye bye. Then you do the worksheet on this. Do the worksheet and send me to the WhatsApp. Okay. I will ask you to read in next week class. Okay. Last next week.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.